Hey guys, Mrs. Stacy. So this is the research paper body paragraphs page under your Intro to Research Paper tab. So this is all about your body paragraphs. So we talked about your topic, you've done your research, you found your resources, and I wanted to mention with your resources, guys, any articles that we've read in class, you can use those as resources. So be aware of those. Maybe we read an article and there's something in there that really tied into your topic that you liked a lot, but you weren't sure if you could use it. Any articles that we provide to you in class is a resource, so go ahead and use those if you want to. So this is your body paragraph. There needs to be 3 body paragraphs, guys. So we're going to have 5 paragraphs all together. We have your intro, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So this is only going over the 3 body paragraphs. Each paragraph discusses one aspect of your research topic. So like the example that I gave you in my thesis statement example for the intro, I have already outlined what my body paragraphs are going to be about. So that's really good to figure out what you're going to write about in your body paragraphs and what each paragraph is going to be about before you start writing. It's kind of like your outline portion. So this is just an example, guys. Do not use this one. This is one I created. So my first one would be about the political prisoners, my second body paragraph would be about Jews, and my third body paragraph would be about the deviants or anyone that was different than the Nazi ideals said they should be. So this is what my body paragraphs would be about. So you need to pick 3 aspects that have to deal with your topic and figure out which paragraph is going to be about what. Don't forget, this is 3 to 5 sentences per paragraph. So do not write a paragraph with only 2 sentences, guys. When you write a research paper, guys, you are going to include in-text citations of research to further your claim. So I included a really great resource to use. This is a website. It's called Al Purdue. They have everything that you need if you would like to look at it. So we are doing MLA. Make sure we're sticking with that. And we're talking about in-text citation basics. So they kind of will outline everything that you need to know. Okay, so there's like, maybe you have an article with an author. So they kind of show you some examples of how an in-text citation would look with an author. Maybe it doesn't have an author. So they do that as well. And how you would write that. The thing with in-text citation, guys, and something that I've noticed in your previous writings, so I just want to kind of pound home a little bit, is remember that your in-text citation is part of your sentence. So you create your sentence, maybe it's a quote, maybe it's a paraphrase, you do your parentheses, you include, say that where it came from, and then the period is after your in-text citation, not before. If you put a period before the parentheses, you've essentially cut out the in-text citation out of your sentence. So make sure your period comes after. This is part of your sentence. So if you need to look for a reference, I included the link for this website. It has everything, MLA style. There's a whole bunch of stuff over here. Maybe you cited a book or periodical, abbreviations. They even have help for the works cited page if you need that. So hopefully this link will help you if you need it. I also included some examples of some stuff that you kind of come across. So I just used this and copied it right off the website for you guys. This is if there's a known author and the examples. Quote, this is the quote portion, paraphrase for you guys to look at, the unknown author. So these are just examples of in-text citations that I gave you guys, but do not forget you can use that website if you're still struggling. And this is what you're going to be doing for your 3 body paragraphs. First things first, figure out what each body paragraph is going to be about. Second, write your paper, 3 to 5 sentences, write each paragraph. Make sure you're citing correctly. Don't forget, if you have any questions or concerns, contact me or Mrs. Manders, and we will be sure to help you out. Good luck, guys.